Do you know that if you invest 1000 naira in Dangote sugar, you actually own Dangote sugar? Hi, my name is Felix, and today I'll be teaching you how to invest your first 1000 naira. So today I'll be showing you how to invest 1000 naira. It is possible to invest 1000 naira. Don't let anybody deceive you and tell you you need to have $10,000, you need to have that and that amount of money to start investing. No, you can start investing as low as 1000 naira, even as low as 500 naira. Now, let's start. What is investment? Investment is the ability to keep money somewhere and the money start generating more money for you. The money start increasing in value for you in different ways. Take for instance, there's an investment app that will show right here. You see, with that app, you can actually invest in Tesla stock, you can invest in Coca-Cola, you can invest in MTN, you can invest in every different stock. Yes, you can. Now note, there is no amount of money that is too small to be invested. You can invest money every single day. You can invest money every single month. And 1000 naira is not too small. It is not too small to be invested. So stop thinking that you cannot invest 1000 naira. You can start investing 1000 naira in different ways. What you call plenty in your eyes is small in another person's eyes. And what you call small in your eyes is big in somebody else's eyes. So there is no amount of money that is too little to be invested. Now, investing in the company actually means you're actually owning some part of the company. For instance, you are investing in Dangote sugar. Do you know that if you invest 1000 naira in Dangote sugar, you actually own Dangote? Yes, just that you own a 1000 naira Dangote stock. You see, it's better for you to even own Dangote stock than buying Dangote sugar for 1000 naira. You can invest 1000 naira in Tesla. You can invest 1000 naira in Coca-Cola. Yes, you can invest 1000 naira in different kind of platforms, but we need to understand that you can. But so many persons feel that 1000 naira is too small to be invested. No, it is not. There are several stocks that are cheaper than 1000 naira. Some are even 50 naira, some are 100 naira, some are 200 naira. So 1000 naira is even a big money. When you start, before you know it, you start becoming bigger in it. Yes, you can. And guess what? You can also start investing in cryptocurrency with just 1000 naira. So you see, no one should tell you cannot invest with 1000 naira. You can start buying cryptocurrency as low as 500 naira. Do you know you can buy Bitcoin of 1000 naira? Yes, you can. You can buy Ethereum of 1000 naira. Yes, you can. You can buy SRP, you can buy Solana, you can buy different projects in cryptocurrency with just 1000 naira. So nobody should tell you you cannot invest 1000 naira. 1000 naira is not too small to be invested. 1000 naira will be too small because you're looking at it from a different angle. So don't spend all the money you have. If it's 1000 naira that you can meet up with, if that is what you have, if that is what you can afford right now, invest it. You can invest your 1000 naira. It is not too small to invest, and it will give you return back. It will give you dividend back in few years to come, and it's more better off to invest it than using it, because when you invest it, the 1000 naira is multiplying for you. It could be 1100, it could be 1200, depending. As time goes on, as inflation keeps coming up, your money is increased. So there is no big money, no small money. So can you invest 1000 naira? Yes, you can. You can buy stock, you can buy cryptocurrency. There is no crypto, no stock markets, nothing you cannot buy with 1000 naira. Even in the S&P 500 or in those companies, there are still stocks you can buy for 1000 naira. I can bet you. Join my class and I will show you many coins you can even buy, or check below and you see different kind of platforms where you can buy different coins. Stay tuned. Please subscribe and turn on notification bell so you can get more videos from me.